Let me link a second to your keynote speech that you gave a moment ago. You told us that you see a lot of competition in the digital world among the major companies. But let's for a second put the hat of the competition authorities of who is enforcing competition law. Do you think that this platform world, this internet world, needs new instruments or can be faced in the traditional way?
I think that traditional antitrust models are pretty robust. I'm much more familiar with the models in the US than in Europe, where we have had a pretty long history of trying to codify the rules of the road. I mean, what's acceptable behavior and what's not acceptable behavior. In Europe, I think this is at an earlier stage, and some of the principles are more fluid and are developing in a way that is not the way things are done in the US. It doesn't mean they're wrong, it simply means that we have to be able to live in both worlds.
If you look at from 10 years from now, in 2028, what will be Google? How important will be in our daily life? How do you see the future?
Well, in the morning when you get up and brush your teeth, the Google Assistant will read off your calendar and then you can move on to the next step. I'm joking, of course. We don't have any particular plans of getting into the toothbrush business at this point, but who knows. I think that the situation with the internet is very, very fluid. We think the future lies in digital assistants of one form or another. Larry Page used to say the trouble with Google is you have to ask it a question. You shouldn't have to ask it a question, it should just give you an answer. And we thought he was joking, but no, he was serious, because that's really the genesis of the Google Assistant. It's to try to help you through your day with your manage your appointments, manage driving to work, manage the plans that you've made for the weekend, etc., in a way that provides the same kind of experience you can get from a really, really good executive assistant, but available to everybody all the time for free.
Well, thank you very much. Let's hope that the future is as bright as it looks.
Good.
Thank you.
Excellent.